Hi, my name's Roseanne. Welcome to my garden. Today I'm going to be digging up calla lilies to overwinter them for the winter. This is Minneapolis, Minnesota, Zone 4, and calla lilies are not winter hardy here. So as beautiful as they need to be dug up, stored over the winter, and replanted every spring. So to begin, we want to, here you can see the calla lilies are ready to be dug up. They're flopped over, they're not looking very good. Again, it's October 22nd. A lot of times by now we would have had a frost. So the first thing I'm going to do with this calla lily bulb is cut the leaves off so that I can dig up the bulbs without damaging the leaves as much. So I have a nice simple plant. And I'm going to take my favorite shovel and dig all around it, pop it out, and I've got a nice ball. You can see the roots. Calla lilies are only planted about 2 to 3 inches underground, so I'm removing all the soil that gets me down to the bulb. I want to be gentle so that I don't really damage the tops. My goal is to leave the tops on until the bulbs are totally dry and I store them for the winter. And even then I'll only cut them down to about 2 inches. So I'm cleaning off the soil, and we can see our first bulb. After this, I'm going to rinse them off with water, let them dry in the sun, and then let them dry indoors for another week before I pack them away, which will be a second video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Hi, back to the calla lilies. Well, as you can see, I rinsed the calla lily bulbs off. They're nice and clean. And then I set them all in the sun to dry. Right now I'm going to be, and these calla lilies are not white, they're this gorgeous pink color. This is a rather old bulb that's going to seed that I found, not a bulb, a seed pod. So now I'm going to take these for about 1 week. I'm just going to put them in a cardboard box. The box has some holes in for aeration, but I'm not going to close the box. So for in the next week, they're going to dry some more. And then next week, you'll see another part of my video. I'm going to remove all of these spidery-like roots and then just put them in the box for the winter. And then I won't really touch them till next April. See you next time. Hi, I'm Roseanne and welcome to my garden. Today I want to show you how to overwinter calla lily bulbs. I live in Zone 4, so the calla lily bulbs will not survive in the ground for the winter. So I need to dig them up, wash them, and dry them, and then store them over the winter. Last week I showed you how to dig up and clean the bulbs, or how I do it. Today I'd like to show you what comes next. These bulbs have been drying for 1 week in my house. They're now ready to be tucked away for the winter. You can see this bulb grew and divided into many smaller bulbs. This is ideal for, I guess, separating. So what I'm going to do is gently move the bulb until it comes loose. I'll have a little spot like that, that's okay. And then what I'm going to do is wipe all these, take all the spidery veins off. And now I have a bulb ready for storage. Let me show you another one. This one has a top that I need to cut down more. I like them about this height originally, but now as we're getting ready for storage, I want to get the moist stems off. Simple, that's all I did. And again, this one has nothing ready to divide, so I'm just going to rip these spidery roots off, and the bulb's ready for storage. I have a box with a few bulbs in it already. First of all, it's a I like a box that needs to be able to be closed to let no sunlight in. I've cut 3 holes on each side to let air circulate but no light in. So when I put the bulbs in the box, I'm going to put them so they don't touch. Apparently touching, you can, if one bulb gets moldy, all the bulbs can get moldy. I don't use peat or wood chips. I haven't needed to do that, but I do try to make sure that the bulbs aren't touching as they're stored for the winter. So when this box is filled up, I'll close it, I'll tape it, and I'll set it in our basement, which never gets warmer than 65 degrees in the winter, at least the room I put them in. So again, 55 to 65 is ideal for Calla Lily bulbs. Then I'll bring them out in the middle of April and plant them. Hope you found this video useful. See you next time.